Hello viewers, welcome back to Amadike Studios. Now, listen to the noise in this environment. Now I'm going to show you how you can change this to this. We share with you a very important tool in Premiere Pro that will improve your editing experience. So all you need to do to remove background noise is very simple. So I have imported a clip here that I want to remove the background noise. All I need to do is go to the Effects tab here and search for denoise. What you want to look for is denoise. And when you get to denoise, drag it onto your audio here. And when you go to Effect Control, this Effect Control is where you control that level of noise you want to reduce. Now on Effect Control, I will go to denoise. Before now, this is how this place looks like, but when I added denoise, it now comes up here. Now what you want to do is click Edit, and this is the level which it is at now. I'll just put off this denoise so that you hear how this guy plays without denoise.
He never acknowledged Pope when he was alive. Angela also accused the actor of engaging in fetish activities and abusing.
So this is without the noise and this is with the noise.
Colleagues, including manipulating the destiny of others in the name of hospitality. Furthermore, she mentioned revelations she used.
So if you drag this up, if you increase it further, you get something like this.
About a planned malicious act.
So I advise you to leave the amount at 50. Don't take it up to 100, because when you take it up to 100, it tends to sound artificial. This is what I mean.
About to pressure to show sympathy over Gino Pope's death.
Compared to this point,
the actor received a good response to his message.
And look at this.
Which marked a shift from earlier criticism of him. However, Angela...
So this is without the noise. Then at 50%, this should be your best point. When worst comes to worst, if your footage is too noisy, just leave it at 60. But meanwhile, it's best you address your noise issues before even editing in Premiere Pro, because the good video starts before the production. So it's advised you shoot in a less noisy environment. Say for example, you stay in an environment where there are a lot of cars or maybe traffic. You can decide to record at night. By that time, it will be less noisy. And maybe you have noisy neighbors if you are the type that live around generators and stuff like that. Recording at night is also advised because most people will be sleeping by that time. And if you can talk to your neighbors, if they are the ones that you can reason with, tell them that, oh, you record at so time, if they can lessen the noise. That way you have a very perfect footage. Like the one I just used now is not so noisy, but you can hear the noise. So without the noise too, I can eliminate the noise. Don't go and shoot in a marketplace and expect to remove all those noises. Nah. Okay guys, thank you for engaging with this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed by now, click the subscribe button and join the family. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop content like this, you'll be the first to know. Help this video get to 1K likes. I will see you some other time.